over 500 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube every single minute. That's a lot of content, right? But here's the thing, YouTube isn't just a platform for watching funny videos or music clips. It's a great tool for building a community, sharing your knowledge, and even growing your business. Now, think about it this way. Starting a YouTube channel is like planting a tree. It starts small, but with time, care, and consistency, it can grow into something truly amazing. It's like having a growth calendar where you can look back after a few years and see how far you've come. Yes, your personal throwback channel where you get to share ideas, impact lives, and help businesses to grow. For me, starting a YouTube channel seems like a task, but I quickly learned that with the right guidance, it is totally doable, and that's it. So in this video, I will share some tips and action points that helped me to start my journey as a content creator, so we can learn and together we can grow. So I'm going to say welcome guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are tuning in for the first time, a big warm welcome. And if you have been here before, welcome back. And if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. My name is Oladejo Elisha. On this channel, I talk about passive income, multiple streams of income ideas, mastering the digital space, and basically how to increase your cash inflow. Alright, with that being said, let's kickstart it off with first and crucial tip, which is finding your niche. This is where you decide what your channel will focus on. Your niche can be anything that makes you happy, whether it's cooking, tech reviews, travel, or even documenting your daily life. The trick is to pick something you are genuinely passionate about, because that enthusiasm will come across in your videos. For example, if you are a cooking enthusiast, why not start a channel dedicated to your favorite recipes and cooking tips? Your unique perspective is what will make your channel stand out and keep viewers coming back for more. Now here's my second tip: plan your content. Like this video, I planned it. It is crucial. Think of your channel as a project that needs a solid plan to succeed. It's like planning a road trip. You won't just hop in the car and drive without knowing where you are going, right? Same thing with your YouTube channel. First off, you want to create a content calendar, and this is just a fancy way of saying you need to schedule your videos. It doesn't have to be anything super complicated, just a simple list of calendar that shows when you plan to film and upload each video. This way, you are not scrambling at the last minute to come up with ideas. Start by jotting down a bunch of video ideas. What do you want to talk about? Maybe you've got some how-to videos in mind, or you are thinking about doing product reviews. Whatever it is, write it down. The goal here is to get a list of ideas that excites you. Once you have your list, think about how you can organize these ideas. Maybe you could create a video series. For instance, if you are into cooking, you might want to start a series on different recipes. Or if you are into tech, you could do a weekly review on the latest gadget, having a series that can keep your content fresh and give your audience something to look forward to. Now, take your list and start planning out when you will film and upload each video. You don't have to stick to a strict schedule, but having a rough plan can really help you to stay consistent. Trust me, having this plan in place will make a big difference. Next is invest in good equipment. And get me right, now I know what you might be thinking. Do I really need to spend a ton of money on fancy gear? And the answer is no. You don't need the most expensive stuff out there, but having decent equipment can make a big difference in the quality of your videos. Now let's start with your camera. You don't need a Hollywood level camera, but a good one can help your videos look clear and sharp. Even a mid-range camera or a decent smartphone can work wonders. What you want to avoid is shooting with a camera that is too blurry or grainy. It's like trying to read a book with small pages. It just doesn't work well. And next up is your microphone. Clear audio is very important. If people can't hear you properly, they are going to move away. However, you don't need a studio grade mic right away, but even a basic external microphone can make a huge difference, just like my own mic, as you can see. So here's what I suggest: invest in a decent camera and microphone. It doesn't have to be top of the line, but it should give you a clear video and audio. This will help make your content look and sound professional, and trust me, it's worth it. Now let's move on to the fourth tip, which is optimize your videos for SEO. This is where things get really interesting and where my expertise comes in. Just like website, YouTube videos need to be optimized for search engines. A lot of people make mistakes about it. So what is SEO for YouTube? Just like when you search for something on Google, YouTube also needs to know what your video is about so it can show it to the right people. This is where keywords comes in. First, let's talk about your video title. You want to be clear and engaging. Instead of having a vague title like My Day, find something more specific like A Day in the Life of a Digital Marketer. This tells people what to expect and also helps YouTube understand what your video is about. If someone searches for digital marketing tips or a day in the life of a marketer, your video is more likely to show up. So guys, next up is your description. This is like your video's introduction. Be sure to include relevant keywords here too. For example, if your video is about digital marketing strategy, mention those keywords in the description. You don't need to stuff it with keywords, but a few well-placed ones will actually help your video. Tags are another important part. Tags are like clues that tells YouTube what your video is about. Use tags that are relevant to your content. If your video is about digital marketing, you might use tags like digital marketing, SEO tips, or marketing strategy. Now finally, don't forget about your video's thumbnail. A catchy thumbnail can make a big difference. It's like the cover of a book. If it looks interesting, people are more likely to click on it. So the next time you upload a video, remember to spend a little time on this SEO element. It's like giving your video a better chance to be seen by more people. And if you are clear on what your video is about, it will help viewers find exactly what they are looking for. Now my own fifth tip is engage with your audience. And guys, this is very important too. This is super important if you want to build a loyal community around your channel. Think of it like having a conversation with friends. You wouldn't just talk at them and then walk away. You will listen, respond, and keep the conversation going. When people leave comments on your videos, take the time to reply. Even a simple thanks for watching can make a big difference, especially if you are just starting. If you are asked questions, answer them. If someone shares their thoughts or experiences, acknowledge that and thank them for sharing. It shows you care and that you are not just another face in the world. Also, try asking questions in your videos. It could be something like, what do you think about this topic? Or, have you tried this before? It invites your viewers to share their opinions and get involved in the conversation. When you create content that encourages interaction, people feel more connected to you and your channel. So next time you upload a video, remember to engage with your audience, respond to their comments, ask for their opinions, and keep the conversation going. Next is promote your video. This is a big one. After you put in all the effort to make great video, you want to make sure people see it, right? Start by sharing your videos on social media platforms, like Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok. Each time you post, you are reaching new potential viewers who might be interested in your content. If you have a blog or a website, embed your videos there too. It's a good way to bring in traffic from people who already follow your blog. Also, don't forget to let your friends and family know about your channel. Sometimes the best supporters are the people closest to you. Ask them to share your videos with their networks. Think about where else you could share your content. Maybe you could include your latest video in an email newsletter or mention it in a relevant online forum. Each new place you promote your video increases your chances of attracting new viewers. Here's my last tip. Stay consistent and have fun. Consistency is super important for growing channel. Now, try to upload videos on a regular schedule. Whether it's once in a week you want to do it or twice a month, this helps your viewers to know when to expect your new content and just to be at alert. But there's the thing, you also need to enjoy what you are doing. If you are not having fun, it will show your videos. YouTube is a space where you get to be creative and let your personality shine. So make sure you are enjoying the process and letting that enjoyment come through in your videos. Now we have come to the end of this video. I want to believe that you will find these tips useful and be ready to get started either on your channel, your new channel, or to improve on the existing one. Remember, the most important thing is to start and keep going. I know many people get discouraged when they see only few likes and comments on their videos, feeling like their channel can't do better. But remember, every big channel started with just a handful of views. Keep going, stay consistent, and believe in your content. Now, if you are looking for more tips or a supportive community, I want you to join my free passive income tips community on FB called Mastering with Elisha. It's a great place to learn more about freelancing, how to build a profitable business online, and how to make money. Definitely, you will find the link in the description below. And don't forget to check out my blog at oladejoelisha.com for more insight and tips on SEO and digital marketing, and also on letter.com, an SEO store that showcases my SEO service. If you are looking for a local SEO expert, I'm your man. With a solid track record, I have successfully empowered over 5,000 businesses by increasing their local visibility up to 80% on Google Local Map and Google Maps search. With over 6 years in the local SEO space, I have transformed several businesses from shadows to spotlight using my #1 strategy to rank numerous DBPs and websites. Within 2 months after optimizing one of my clients' DBP, his DBP got 10,000 views, and your own can also be the same. Just imagine someone in your neighborhood searching for the exact services or products your business offers. Now envision your business appearing at the top of local search results, attracting a steady stream of foot traffic right to your door. Wouldn't that be nice? That's exactly what I can do for you with my Google Local Map Pack Booster service. I specialize in securing top placement for businesses like yours in Google's Local Map Pack, ensuring that your local customer can easily find and choose your business over your competitors. With over 4,000 glowing reviews from my clients worldwide and more than 9,000 successful orders on a platform called legit.com, I excel in elevating businesses from the shadows into the spotlight. So if you are ready to boost your business online presence and become the go-to choice for your local customer, don't hesitate to contact me, and together we can help your business to grow. Once again, I want to say thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to be part of this family. See you in my next video. Thanks.